Good morning, students. In continuation of the French Revolution, so the present topic is the outbreak of the revolution in France. So on 5th March 1789, so Louis XVI called the meeting Estates General. So in this Estate General, in this assembly, so the first and second estate members were 300. The third estate members were 1600. So among these 900, only the first and second estate members of the 300 had to sit in the rows each other. The remaining, the third estate members of the 600 were stand behind these first and second members. They no need to sit in the chairs. And so there were no allow into the assembly of patients, artisans and women. Even though they were not allowed into the assembly, so these third estate members brought the opinions of these patients, artisans, women through letters into the assembly. So why the Louis XVI arranged these estate general assembly? So because to impose the more taxes to meet the daily expenses. So here earlier in the France, many of the kings followed. Each estate had only one vote. So here the third estate demanded we could not follow the earlier system. We need to follow the vote for everyone. Vote for everyone. But the king didn't accepted proposals of the third estate members. Then these third estate members boycott the assembly to protest against the king. The tennis court vote. So on June 1789, they assembled, these third estate members assembled at indoor tennis court of the grounds of the Versailles. Grounds of the Versailles under the leadership of the Mirabeau, Abbasis and Bailey. So there they discussed what to do in future. So at last they concluded that they had to write the constitution for France, which constitution had limit the powers of the king. The main motto, the main objective. So what they were going to write the constitution was to reduce the powers of the king. So they took oath till the completion of the constitution. They didn't leave the tennis court. So they need to write the drafted constitution. When the drafted constitution work was going on in indoor tennis court, indoor ground of the tennis court, so in rest of the France there were chaos and disturbance because the prices were increased in the market due to the crop failure by having severe winter. Crop failures were very common. So due to that, the price of the bread increased in the market. Many of the people queued before the bakeries to purchase the piece of bread for hours together. Many of the bakers, they accumulated the bread to create the artificial shortage in the market. By standing hours together in the queue, women a group of women forcefully entered into the bakery to get the bread. By observing all of this, King Louis XVI sent the army to suppress these revolts. Then this group of people destroyed the Bastille jail and freed the many of the people. By observing all of these, finally the king accepted the what about the proposal of the third estate members drafted constitution. So limitation of the powers of the king. So on 14th July, when they destroyed the Bastille jail, on that day, even today, they were celebrating the National Day of the France. And also king accepted the National Assembly on 4th of August 1789. So this National Assembly passed a law for the purpose of to ban the taxes, to ban the feudal taxes, to ban the to give up the rights of the clergy and nobility. What were earlier they enjoyed the rights, the first estate and second estate people. So those rights were abolished. And the teeth, what the church collected the taxes, those were also banned. And also the entire land under the control of the church were also taken by the people. So France became a constitutional monarchy. So after completion of the drafted constitution, so it was completed on 1791. So according to this constitution, the powers distributed among the legislature, executive and judiciary. So according to this constitution, all the citizens did not have right to vote. Did not have right to vote. So only the active members, the active citizens, those who crossed the 25 years of age, so they had right to vote. But all the 25 years age, those who crossed, they didn't have the right to vote. Only those who were the 3 days of labor's wages as a tax paying. So they were only, so those who were paying the taxes to the state in their 3 days of labor wages, they were eligible to right to vote. Okay, so these members, these 25 years of the age people had right to vote to elect the group of electors only. Group of electors only. Okay, to become elector or member of assembly, so those who were the highest taxpayer, they were only eligible for to become the elector or member of assembly. So this assembly passed the Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen. Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen. So according to this declaration, so there was social equality, freedom of speech, freedom of life, freedom of education. So several rights were there in that. So these 17 citizens' natural rights must and should be protected by the government. Thank you.